Mother's Day look starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, start by subscribing to my channel and turning notifications on. We are in the midst of a subscriber giveaway, so if you are curious to know how to enter, you can check in the description box and I will link the video that explains it all. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this Mother's Day look. The first thing that I always do after brows, I use my Morphe M432 brush, which is really straight across. It's synthetic, awesome for applying cream and carving out the brows. Also my Maybelline cover stick in the shade white. So let's just get to carving out these brows. We're gonna be around our family and we want our makeup to last all day. So the next thing I'm gonna do is color correct these bags. And I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance color correcting palette. I'm gonna be first diving into this orange one, and then of course you guys know purple is my favorite color correcting shade. So let's go ahead and begin. Now I'm going to use the green shade to cancel out my acne scars. So I went ahead and primed and set my eyes for shadow. You guys have seen me do that a million times on my channel. So I'm going to be using my Morphe M432 brush. Oh, 433, excuse me. And I'm gonna dive into the third pink of the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Please stay up in line. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Now I'm going to jump over 2 spaces and pick up this really pretty magenta pink color, and this is going to go in my crease a little bit below that pink on the outer corner. I'm going to dive into some red, which this red is more along the lines of a brick red, but still red nonetheless. And this is the Morphe M330 brush. It is very tapered and perfect to get those pigments into the crease. That's exactly where I want it. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Alright, and I'm just knocking it off one time because I still want a lot of that pigment on the brush. And I'm just going to begin stamping it into my crease. Now I'm gonna pick up this royal blue color. Oh my god, it is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm gonna put this on my outer V. Now I'm going to use a rounded tip synthetic brush and my Maybelline Bullet to cut my crease. Alright, they look even and I'm ready for some more shadow. I'm gonna dip into Cosmic. It is, and this is a foiled shadow, so alright, now I'm just gonna put this directly over that concealer. guys, I have liner and lashes, and now I'm ready for some finger magic. What do you guys think? Ready? 1, 2. And this, you guys, is my Mother's Day look. I hope that you've enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you guys. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up if you're having fun any point during this video. And I hope that everyone has a blessed Mother's Day. I'll see you on the next one. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.